Have you ever dreamt of being a fashion designer? I did. Make your own clothes. Wouldn't that be amazing? But it's difficult to make clothes. So I thought, what is an easy way to try new designs without having to make the whole cloth? Are you ready? All you need is paper, scissors, tape, and a marker. Now, let's make haute couture. The first thing you need to think about is what kind of clothes you want to design. I already have a dress and a t-shirt, so I will do pants. Pants are very easy to draw. Now, let's cut it out to keep the shape of the pants. One tip, do one cut from the outside and then cut everything at once. By the way, it's okay if you don't cut exactly on the line. It's fine. That's it. And you know what? We don't need this part. We need this one. Use the tape now to close the gap. One last thing I like to do is to draw the outline once more so that the shape is easier to see. Make sure you put a paper under so that you're not drawing on the table. Someone will not be happy. Ta-da! My pants are ready! Now, let's look for cool patterns in the house and test them on my pants. Now is your turn to draw your favorite clothes, cut them out, and find the best patterns around to design the new, most amazing clothes ever. Are you ready for it? Go! Go outside to find a lot of fantastic patterns.